Audio clarity is crucial in various applications such as music production, film sound design, live performances, conference calls, and podcasts. It refers to the quality of sound reproduction, ensuring that every detail and nuance is clearly audible to the listener. The frequency range of audio refers to the range of audible frequencies that a sound can produce. Understanding the impact of frequency range on audio clarity is crucial for achieving high-quality sound reproduction. Different frequency ranges can affect the perceived clarity of audio, with some frequencies being more prominent and defining than others. By paying attention to the frequency range, audio producers and engineers can ensure that the sounds are balanced and that all elements are heard clearly by the audience. Dynamic range refers to the range of loudness levels in an audio signal, from the quietest to the loudest. Compression affects the dynamic range by reducing the volume of the loudest parts and amplifying the quietest parts, resulting in a more consistent and controlled audio output. While compression can make the overall sound appear louder and more present, excessive use of compression can lead to loss of detail and dynamics, affecting the audio quality. Noise and interference play a significant role in degrading audio clarity, often causing distortion and disruptions in the sound quality. External factors such as electronic interference, background noise, and signal loss can all contribute to this degradation, impacting the overall listening experience. Audio processing and equalization can significantly enhance the clarity of spoken English by balancing and optimizing the frequency spectrum, reducing background noise, and improving overall sound quality. Proper microphone selection and placement are crucial for high-quality audio recording. The choice of microphone type, e.g. condenser, dynamic, and directional pattern, e.g. cardioid, omnidirectional, greatly impacts the sound capture and can enhance clarity and richness of the recording. When examining the impact of room acoustics and sound reflections on audio quality, it is crucial to consider how these factors can either enhance or degrade the overall listening experience. The reverberation and reflections within a space can significantly affect the clarity, intelligibility, and timbre of sound, particularly in the context of music production, live performances, and audio recordings. Understanding the behavior of sound waves in different acoustic environments is essential for achieving optimal audio quality and ensuring that the intended sonic characteristics are accurately conveyed to the listener. To achieve high audio clarity in English, it's important to consider key factors such as using a high-quality microphone, minimizing background noise, speaking clearly and enunciating words, and editing the audio for consistent volume and clarity.